We're doing problems with absolute value, and I hope you understand them. It's all about Kung Fu, and you'll see why in a minute. Charlie Owen.
Okay, first, yes, subtract sides.
Okay, looking good. Now what do we mean about Kung Fu here? You gonna do the chop, Charlie? Yeah, what happens when you do the chop? Don't you want to do a little bit more crazy?
Yeah!
There you go. Now what happens? We get two cases. What are they? Here, let me just show you what I want. You leave those there, and you get y equals 11, or y equals negative 11. You got to write both cases out. The karate chop takes that in half. It gives you the positive case and the negative case. Let's give a hand to Charles Owen.
We add 2 to each side. And then, yeah, that's your answer. So basically you would write n equals 2 or n equals negative 2.
Good job. Give her a hand, please. Want to do karate chop? Let's see your karate chop. Emily, chop it. Chop it. There we go.
Okay, so you're going to subtract 3 from both sides.
Divide 3.
Yeah, divide 3 from both sides. Sorry. And then you're going to get y equals 9.
Okay, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're not done.
Why?
Because
Karate man, karate chop.
Oh.
okay, and a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now what do we get when you karate chop it? What's left over? Y equals 9, or y equals negative 9.
Yeah. So you would subtract 7 from both sides, and this would be 35. And so, yeah. And then you would, since you're dividing, you would multiply 5 on both sides. So it would be this 5 times 5. So x would equal 175, or x would equal negative 175.
That's right.
So
Okay, let's do the one thing is I would do an extra, step. I would have written absolute value x equals 175. Then do your chop. Ready?
Hi!
Nice one. Woo! Man, oh man. What do we do on both sides to this one? Number 53 is a difficult one. Not that hard. Just follow the same principles. What's our first step? Do we do anything differently to this, Jonathan? Nope. What do we do? Are we ready to karate chop that? We have to change anything, do anything? No. Who wants to do the karate chop? Come on up. It's already set up. The brick is there. There's nothing to clean up. Just chop it up and put them into 2 cases. Who's doing the karate chop?
Me.
Come on up, Alara. She's got the sound effects. She's got the chop. All right. Ready? Yeah, but you gotta do it here. Good. Now, negative x equals 7, or negative x equals negative 7. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Does everybody see that? It's the same principle, right? You do that. Hey, Raman, it's the same principle. Negative x equals 7, or negative x equals negative 7. It's the same as what we did before, right? Everybody see that? Now, to finish this off, what do we do, Emily?
You have to make it positive x.
Yeah.
Wait.
We have to divide by negative 1, right? Negative x equals 7, so you divide by negative 1 on both sides.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
From the beginning, since it's in the absolute value bracket, when you just make it positive x, can you just do that?
No. Again, this is what I'm telling you about the karate chop thing is, you think it's just a game, but it's not. you take these bricks, and the only way you can break that brick, the only way, under any circumstances, ever, only way, can you fade out a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm telling you, this is very serious. The only way you can break this brick into two cases and solve this problem is by doing the karate chop. It's not a joke. You can only break that up if you chop it up, boom, into two cases. And when you do, you have a positive case and negative case, not inside the signs, but out here. So negative x in there equals positive 7, positive case, or negative x equals negative 7. That's what it chops up into. Now, you divide by negative 1, you get x equals negative 7. Or x equals 7. Okay? And there we go. Okay, for this one, number 57, we have the same principle, right? We have a brick, we got to chop it. There's only one way to do it, karate chop. There's nothing to clear, just chop it. Nothing in its way. So on both, what do we do when we get there? Yes, Allie? What? First of all, we get what?
You get
Not the answers, I want the next step.
You subtract 2 from both sides.
No, you can't until you chop it. When you chop it, you get two cases. That's
So
it.
x plus 2
Yep. Equals?
equals 7.
Good, that's the positive case. Or,
X plus 2
yep,
equals negative 7.
good. Okay, everybody clear on that? You chop that into two and you get the same thing. On one side you get positive, one side negative. Now you do what you were talking about, Allie, which is to solve it, and go ahead and do that.
So I subtract 2, yeah, and then I got x equals 5.
Uh-huh.
And then I subtracted 2, and I got x equals 9, negative 9.
Negative 9, good stuff. There you go, please write it down. Those are slightly trickier, but not that bad. We're doing proportions now on 3-9, and these questions are pretty straightforward. They're just two fractions with an equal sign in front, and you solve for one variable. What happens if we just stick with what we learned? Which is to, when we see a fraction, we just multiply the bowling ball principle, right? What's our bowling ball size here? What's going to knock both of the bottoms out?
Oh,
Yeah.
3.
3 won't knock 27 out, though. You're
Oh.
right, good. 3 knocks 3 out, but it doesn't knock 27 out. So you need,
Doesn't it? Wait, yeah, by 9.
no, 3 over 27 is not equal, you see what I'm
Oh
saying?
yeah, my bad.
Yeah.
That's 4 equals 9.
But you're on your right path there, you're almost there. What number would knock both of them out? 9 won't knock 27 out.
27?
27 is the one you want, right? Because 27,
Divide 'em.
that's right, no, 27 is going to knock out. I'm going to get rid of that out of the way so you have room here. 27, this is number 1. 27 over here, and 27 over there, and guess what? 27 knocks out, 27 divided by 3 is 9, and 27 divided by 27 is 1, and now you're home free because 9y equals 9. And then the rest is just simple, you just divide by 9 on both sides. Y equals 1.
Oh.
There you go.
You get that?
Well, because you multiplied by 27 on this side, right? And 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 times y is 9y. Okay? And over here you multiply by 27. 27 divided by 27 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. So 9y equals 9. You divide by 9 on both sides, you get y equals 1. Good. What about this one, number 19? 12 over 30 equals 10 over k. We have the variable on the bottom now. Should that change our approach?
No.
We still need a common factor that's going to multiply on both sides that will knock out the 30 and the k. What's that number going to be?
30.
30, yeah, but what about the k?
Multiply by 30.
30k, exactly. Nice job, Raman and Alexis. 30k. It's logic, right? 30k. There's your bowling ball. Why? Because 30 goes into 30 how many times? One k is left over, we get 12k, right? Be careful because the k is still there. What about this? 30k divided by k is equal to what, Jonathan?
30.
No, the k is canceled. What's left over?
30.
And this equals? 30 times 10 is? 300. There you go. Now we finish it off by doing this. And what do we get? 300 divided by 12, anybody know? I don't know.
25.
25? K equals 25. I hope you're right. Shoo-hoo. Yep, I think you are. Good job. Nice one. Give yourself a hand. Now, I think you're going to need some
Okay, ready?
Cairo.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.